Hi there! Today's objective is that we will model how to count on from any number using number lines. So let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is count by ones. Well, counting by ones is easy because we're just adding 1 to the ones place. So if we start at 385 and I count by ones, I'm just going to put 1 more in the ones place. So 385. Counting by ones, next would be 386. 387, 388, 389, 390, 391, 392, 393, 394. This is counting by ones. The only place value that's changing is the ones place because we're just putting on 1 more. We can also count by tens. So let's say we start at 1,000. Just like when we counted by ones, our ones place changed. When we count by tens, our tens place is going to change. 1,000, 1,010, 1,020, 1,030, 1,040, 1,050, 1,060, 1,070, 1,080, 1,090, 1,100. Pretty cool. Now let's count by tens backwards, starting at 1,100. 1,100, 1,090, 1,080, 1,070, 1,060, 1,050, 1,040, 1,030, 1,020, 1,010, 1,000. You just counted backwards by tens. Cool. Now let's try counting by 100s. Again, if we're counting by 100s, that means our hundreds place is what's going to be changing. Count with me. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200. Now let's count backwards by 100. 1,200, 1,100, 1,000, 900, 800, 700, 600, 500, 400, 300, 2, 1. Nicely done.